Question number 1. What is the SI unit of force? Correct answer is option A, Newton. Question number 2. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Correct answer is option C, energy. Question number 3. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Correct answer is option B, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 meter per second. Question number 4. Who proposed the law of motion? Correct answer is option B, Newton. Question number 5. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? Correct answer is option B, ammeter. Question number 6. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Correct answer is option C, nitrous oxide. Question number 7. What is the pH value of pure water? Correct answer is option B, 7. Question number 8. What is the chemical formula for common salt? Correct answer is option A, NaCl. Question number 9. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer is option A, mercury. Question number 10. Which acid is found in vinegar? Correct answer is option A, acetic acid. Question number 11. What is the functional unit of the kidney? Correct answer is option B, nephron. Question number 12. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Question number 13. What is the main function of red blood cells? Correct answer is option B, transport oxygen. Question number 14. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Correct answer is option C, leaf. Question number 15. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 16. Which phenomenon is responsible for the blue color of the sky? Correct answer is option D, scattering of light. Question number 17. What is the unit of electric resistance? Correct answer is option C, ohm. Question number 18. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? Correct answer is option B, 9.8. Question number 19. Which mirror is used in vehicles to see the rear view? Correct answer is option B, convex mirror. Question number 20. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia? Correct answer is option B, concave lens. Question number 21. What is the frequency of AC current in India? Correct answer is option A, 50 Hz. Question number 22. Which quantity is conserved in a perfectly elastic collision? Correct answer is option C, both energy and momentum. Question number 23. What is the SI unit of power? Correct answer is option A, watt. Question number 24. Which wave is used in radar systems? Correct answer is option C, microwaves. Question number 25. Which law states that current is directly proportional to voltage? Correct answer is option C, Ohm's law. Question number 26. Which element is commonly used in batteries? Correct answer is option C, lithium. Question number 27. Which gas is essential for combustion? Correct answer is option C, oxygen. Question number 28. What is the molecular formula of ozone? Correct answer is option B, O3. Question number 29. Which metal is most abundant in earth crust? Correct answer is option B, aluminium. Question number 30. What is the name of the process by which plants make their food? Correct answer is option C, photosynthesis. Question number 31. Which acid is present in lemon? Correct answer is option C, citric acid. Question number 32. What is the chemical formula of methane? Correct answer is option A, CH4. Question number 33. What is the process of converting a solid directly into gas? Correct answer is option B, sublimation. Question number 34. Which alloy is used to make aircraft parts? Correct answer is option C, duralumin. Question number 35. Which chemical is used for water purification? Correct answer is option B, potassium permanganate. Question number 36. Which organ produces insulin? Correct answer is option B, pancreas. Question number 37. What is the largest organ in the human body? Correct answer is option C, skin. Question number 38. Which part of the brain controls balance? Correct answer is option C, cerebellum. Question number 39. Which blood group is called the universal donor? Correct answer is option D, O. Question number 40. What is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system? Correct answer is option A, neuron. Question number 41. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin C? Correct answer is option B, scurvy. Question number 42. Which process converting glucose into energy in cells? Correct answer is option B, respiration. Question number 43. Which organ filters blood in the human body? Correct answer is option B, kidney. Question number 44. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering it? Correct answer is option D, iris. Question number 45. What is the main component of hemoglobin? Correct answer is option C, iron. Question number 46. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Correct answer is option B, 100 centigrade. Question number 43. Which device is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Correct answer is option B, barometer. Question number 48. What is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide? Correct answer is option B, CO2. Question number 49. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is option B, Mars. Question number 50. What is the process by which plants release water vapor? Correct answer is option C, transpiration.